Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for older women. These haircuts are easy to manage, look stylish and help save time every day. If you want a haircut that looks great without spending hours styling it, this video is just for you. Let's get started. The first haircut is a classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, neat and very easy to take care of. It dries quickly and very easy to take care. This haircut can make your face look fresh and youthful. Many women love the pixie cut because it is comfortable and perfect for busy days. The second haircut idea is a layered bob. This haircut is always in style. Adding layers gives the hair movement and volume. This is a layered bob, looks beautiful even when it is simply air dried. It is elegant, practical and easy to maintain. Another wonderful option is the shoulder length layered cut. This haircut is not too short and not too long. The layers help create a soft and natural look. You can wear it straight, wavy or simply leave it natural. It only takes a few minutes to brush and style. The next haircut is the textured crop. This haircut is add texture and fullness to the hair. It works especially well for women whose hair become thinner over the years. A little styling cream is often enough to create a beautiful look. Let's talk about soft shag haircut. The shag haircut has layers throughout the ears, making it look fuller and more lively. It is great choice for women who want a modern style without a lot of work. The natural texture of the hair becomes part of the style, so daily styling is very easy. Another popular choice is the chin length bob. This haircut frames the face nicely and gives a polished appearance. It works well with many face shapes and hair types. The chin length bob is simple, timeless and easy to care for. For women with naturally grey hair, a layered grey hairstyle can look stunning. Layers add movement and help grey hair look soft and healthy. Grey hair can be beautiful and stylish when paired with the right haircut. If you have curly hair, consider a short curly cut. This haircut allows your natural curls to shine. With the right haircut, curls become easier to manage and require less styling. Simply use a curl-friendly product and yet your hair do the rest. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.